Congratulations, because on this video I'm going to show you how you can start earning money on Facebook here in Nigeria. Facebook monetization is now available to every Nigerian citizens. All right, so on this video I'm going to show you how you can start making money on your Facebook page and on your Facebook profile. Right, so I'm going to show you how you can turn on your monetization for every video you post, and you can start making a lot of thousands of dollars on your Facebook videos. Any Facebook video you have, I'm going to show you how you can turn it on, and I'm going to show you how you can start making money on comments, right? On comments, views, like and share on Facebook. All right, so let's go. This is my Facebook page. On this Facebook page here, I'm going to show you how you can turn it on and you can start making money from it. So once you get to your Facebook page, I want you to go to your dashboard like this. All right, then you are going to see this option. Once you are able to find this option there, I want you to select professional dashboard, because everything we need to do is on professional dashboard. All right, so I'm going to proceed by clicking on professional dashboard, and it's going to take me to this place where the analysis, the insight creation and growth monetization, they are all showing here. So I'll just scroll down to here where it says monetization page assets, right? You can see the payouts and you can see the monetization. So what I'm here for is I'm going to click on the monetization, right? So once I get here, you are going to see a lot of this, right? You're going to see a lot of this. So you can see from here they say not yet eligible. As you know, as you grow your audience, you will unlock more ways to make money. You can see these are all the available monetization section here. You can see we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have 6. The first one is star. People can start sending you gift. They can start sending you star to appreciate your work. Here the ads on the reel. So on this one here, they are going to be placing ad on your videos, and by the time anyone try to watch any of your video, you can start making money from it. And you can see this one called bonuses. This one means once they approve this one, the comments, likes, all the reaction, the engagement on your videos, pictures, text, they are going to turn it to money for you. They will start paying you for people commenting on all your posts, right? Liking, share, the engagement, they will start paying you. This one is ad on live stream. Whenever you're doing a live stream, they will place ad. The in stream, they will start placing advert on all your videos, right? This one is subscriptions. This one is maybe you want a membership paid video content on your Facebook. You can turn this one on. So what I'm going to do here now, the easy one here is I'm going to click on this add on reel. So I'll just click on add on reel. Interesting. So look at here, they say eligibility criteria, they say availability. This tools isn't available to you yet. We are working on making it available to all creators. We'll let you know when it becomes available. So what I'm going to do here now is they are asking you if you are interested and learn more. So here I want you to turn on this I'm interested. You get, I want you to turn this on, that I'm interested. So you just click on it, then you give them reason why you think you have interest in this monetization, right? So if you don't know what to do, you could just go to ChatGPT and write a prompt there, and ChatGPT is going to help you, right? Or they say optional, you can leave it, then you can submit it. You can just click submit interest. But sometimes I advise people to write something cool, right? Why you think Facebook should let you earn money from this particular one. You should just give them a reason if you have a very good reason, and sometimes your reason might make them approve it on time. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on submit. You see interest submitted. Thanks for sharing your interest in this program. You will be notified if you become eligible, right? You can see. So this is what they say. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to go back. I'll just go back. You can refresh your page. Then let's go to the bonuses. So once you click on this bonus here, give it time, it's going to load, and we are going to go through it. Okay, they say start making money with bonuses. Apply your earning as a creator with bonuses. So they say by joining, supplement your income. By joining a bonus program, you can increase your earning by making engagement content. Earn on your times, from creating videos live stream to use our monetization tools. You have a wide range of ways to get paid. Get simple and easy. Discover new bonus program in one easy use place. It's simple to onboard and track your you can see. So now I want you to turn I'm interested on again. You click on it, give them good reason, then you click on submit. And as you can see thanks for sharing your interest in this program. You will be notified if you become eligible. So this is awesome. So once you're done turning all this stuff up, in 2 weeks time, just come here, you will be able to see. So this one, you can see that Nigeria, you reside in an eligible country, so you can see that all this stuff is now available, right? You can see that all this stuff is now available, so in Nigeria. So once you met all the criteria here, you'll be able to apply for this one. But that first one, you don't need any qualification on any criteria. You can see this, you just have these two left. All right, so please don't forget to share this video so all that can turn on all these steps on their page, so they can start earning money, right? And if you are using a Facebook profile, you can actually do the same thing and you will start making money. It's simple as that. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're welcome.